there they are. Good morning, everybody. A couple people made a comment to try the bacon in the oven. Never cooked bacon in the oven. So 2 recommendations. You know who you are. One says to try for 400 degrees for 20 minutes, which we will do today. And tomorrow we will try to 370 degrees for 20 minutes. They said frozen 375, but mine are usually thawed out. So let's see whose idea is better or whose idea works. And again, let me get this oven on. And let's see. So just to let you know, we do listen to you. We do follow your steps. This is the Detweiler's bacon. And let's try it out. Another thing I did wanted to say, and I just can't remember right now. Oh, somebody did mention that you can use the grease, which I'll probably use the grease from the bacon to make my eggs with it as well. So they didn't say anything about I'm gonna have to get another pan. Let me get another pan there. No one didn't mention if I was supposed to spray the bottom, so I'm not going to spray the bottom. I know YC Cooking had always said keep the aluminum foil, the shiny side up, for some reason. I guess there's a special reason why the shiny side of the aluminum foil stays up. It must cook better or something. But let's try it out. Let me know, guys, how you cook your bacon. Well, I probably should have went with the bigger one. My only thing that I always get scared of cooking something in an oven or an air fryer is that the grease spitting up and dirtying your oven or air fryer. Because we are getting comments on that those air fryers, they're good, but they do get dirty and sometimes they're hard to clean. All right, so we are going to do the 400 minutes for 20 minutes, bacon cooked oven style, and let's see what it looks like. All right, here we go. The oven is singing. Let's see if this experiment works. Bacon, oven, bacon. Come on. There we go, guys. Smelling good. It's smelling good. Probably another experiment I'm going to try tomorrow is I'm going to cook the sausages, the mini sausages in here. Because to be honest with you, the wait time to cook for this, by the time you prep the oven and wait time is about the same time to cook bacon in a pan, anywhere from 20 minutes to 30 minutes depending on how high you have the heat on. But it does smell real good. Alrighty, I see her sizzling in there. Shrinkage looks good. Just gotta be careful with the oil. And remember, that is still cooking. Just like if you did it in a pan. Not that much mess inside the oven. And that's That's what you're looking at right there, basically. Not bad. I mean, still soft. I mean, I don't know how you guys like your bacon. We like a little bit of crunchy, not too much crunchy, kind of like what that's going on there. This is a little bit thicker bacon than normal bacons. It is flat, like if I did it on the, whatchamacallit, the griddle. And again, the reason I like it on the griddle is it seasons the griddle as well, but it leaves it flat like that. Like, I don't mind it curly, but to make sandwiches or to make something or for good presentations. Alrighty. Let me get the eggs rolling while this cools down. And of course, like any good thing, you get the oil and you make the eggs with it. Okay, let's get this put away. Let's get this oven stove on. And then we're gonna cook an egg. Let's get this up. But so far, what do you guys think of it? Looks pretty good. Again, it's that foam is still sizzling there. Texture looks real good. I mean, it's starting to become the way that I do like it, because again, it's still cooked. So you have that soft with a little bit of crunchiness that you can see there as well. Makes perfect sandwiches. Good ideas from you guys. Alrighty, guys. Let's get this egg in there. I think I got the oil heated up enough. How do you guys like your eggs? And no, please don't tell me that you can cook these eggs. The yellow yolk broke. Don't tell me you can cook these eggs in the oven, please. I mean, I like a little bit of yolk in my eggs. I like how this oil is very clean compared to if I was to cook it in a pan, the bacon in the pan, that oil is very dirty, and this is really making the egg look good. So bravo. And again, tomorrow I'm going to try the 370, which is 30 degrees less than what this was at the 400 for 20 minutes, which that looks amazing. But I'm going to try the 370 for 20 minutes and go from there. So it'll be 2-in-1 videos, guys. 2-in-1 video. Get my plate ready. My excellent Publix plate. And I can always use that same grease for tomorrow. So there you have it. Let me get a better video of it presentation wise. Let me back it out. Presentation wise, that's a good idea. All right, now let's get the test door. Alrighty, I like it how it stays flat. You can make excellent sandwiches with it, but you know it needs that secret ingredients, guys, before I can taste test it. That's the secret sauce of any breakfast. Okay, my little taste tester.
Oh, good.
The egg is clean. The egg is very clean. because it's not like if I cooked it in there. So this is 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Tomorrow I would do 370 degrees for 20 minutes, but I am gonna put the sausages in there. So, till tomorrow.
The next day.
All right, now I'm gonna do the 375 one. Let's see what that looks like. Sorry. It's 370.
Oh, okay.
Alrighty. Few more minutes. We're gonna see if the 370 for 20 minutes is better than the 400 for 20 minutes. Here we go. Let's get her in. The tests will begin. Both in 20 minutes. Here comes the final result. Woo. Still sizzling. All right, there they are. And again, they are still cooking with that white foam on it, so don't let that think that that's where it stops. Now these look a little bit lighter. But we'll see. We will see. Because I look at it this way, if you're going to put it on 375 versus to 400, I mean, that's why we tried the 370. Because if you're going to do 375, you might as well do 400. But this is 370. 20 minutes. And we will see. Let's see what the difference is. Both have the charriness, the slight crunchiness with the softness. This does have a little bend where the other one, it stood straight. That one's staying straight. All right, let's do a little taste test here. We can get it. Oh, wow. Kind of chewy. With a slight crunch.
Still bubbling, so it's still hot.
Oh yeah.
I like that way better.
The 375?
370, yep. I like that
Oh,
one
370, I'm sorry.
better. I like this one better.
Yeah, the difference between the other one and this one is it still stands straight, less crunchier, but depending on how you like it, whether it's crunchy, but it's not burnt crunchy. The other one wasn't burnt crunchy.
Nah. I like a little chew to it.
Mm-hmm. So either way, they're both good. It does have a slight crunch to it. A little bit chewier. So it just comes down to preference. So they are both good. 370 or 400. Either one. Thank you for showing us how to bake bacon.